Hello, welcome to Language Broker English Lesson 1.2, Consonants. Today we practice pronunciation. You will learn, memorize, and practice. The English consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. The letter B. B sounds like B, B, B. Baby, baby. Ball, ball. The letter C. The letter C has two sounds. Soft C sounds like S, S, S. Circle, circle. Pencil, pencil. Hard C sounds like K, K, K. Circle, circle. Cat, cat. The letter D. D sounds like D, D, D. Dog, dog. Duck, duck. The letter F. F sounds like fish, fish. Fire, fire. The letter G. The letter G has two sounds. Soft G sounds like J, J, J. Giraffe, giraffe. Gem, gem. Hard G sounds like G, G, G. Goat, goat. Grape, grape. The letter H. H sounds like H, H, H. Hand, hand. Heart, heart. The letter J. J sounds like J, J, J. July, July. Jeans, jeans. The letter K. K sounds like K, 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 key, key, king, king. Sometimes the letter K is silent and has no sound. Knife, knife, night, night. The letter L. L sounds like L, L, L. Leaf, leaf, lamp, lamp. The letter M. M sounds like M, M, M. Month, month. Moon, moon. The letter N. N sounds like N, N, N. Nine, nine. Pencil, pencil. The letter P. P sounds like P, P, P. Pot, hot. Pizza, pizza. The letter Q. Q sounds like Qu, Qu, Qu. Queen, queen. Square, square. The letter R. R sounds like R, R, R. Rabbit, rabbit. Rain, rain. The letter S. S sounds like S, S, S. Sun, sun. Star, star. The letter T. T sounds like T, T, T. Turtle, turtle. Tree, tree. The letter V. V sounds like V, V, V. Vest, vest. Video, video. The letter W. W sounds like W, W, W. Water, water. Work, work. The letter X. X sounds like X, X, X. Axe, fox, fox. The letter Y. Y sounds like y, y, y. Year, year. Yes, yes. The letter Z. Z sounds like z, z, z. Zebra, zebra. Zoo, zoo. That is all for today. Don't forget to practice. Click like, click subscribe. Go to lesson 1.3. Thank you. Bye-bye.